हेलो दोस्तों, रोहिला शॉर्टेज सेंटर की लीगल डिक्टेशन सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड के बाद। स्टार्ट। द appellant is aggrieved by the dismissal of his writ petition. Stop. He had complained of arbitrariness in the selection process, that is, that the track conditions while conducting the physical efficiency test within bracket PET were poor in as much as the track on which he was made to run was waterlogged and unfit. The appellant had relied upon the learned single judge's ruling in Revat Ram Meghwal and others versus State of Rajasthan and others within bracket SB Civil Writ Petition number 13731/2018 decided on 27th November 2018 bracket close. The learned single judge dismissed the writ petition on the ground inter alia of delay, since the writ petition was filed after the decision in Revat Ram within bracket Sapra. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant made various submissions. Firstly, it was urged on the basis of findings of Revat Ram within bracket Sapra that the track conditions were undoubtedly poor. In support, Mr. Mardia, learned counsel relied on certified photographs stated to be taken at the site and pointed out that the track was extremely wet. He next submitted that the appellant had in fact qualified the run and completed it in 24 minutes, for which he could obtain only 5 marks. Mr. Mardia, learned counsel submitted that the appellant fell short by 2 marks and therefore missed being in the select list. More substantially, it was urged that the denial of appropriate conditions amounted to deprivation of fair and objective basis for determining the merit and physical efficiency of the candidate. Para. Learned counsel placed reliance upon the judgment of the Allahabad High Court in State of UP versus Sudhakar Pandey 2014 SCC online all 16518. It was argued on behalf of the appellant that the denial of proper conditions amounted to change of circumstances and change of the rules of the game which had been notified previously. It was also submitted that the mere circumstance that others could complete their run successfully and qualify did not preclude the appellant from challenging the procedure as unfair, which it was in the facts of the case. Para. Learned counsel for the respondent urged that this court ought not interfere with the findings of the learned single judge. It was submitted that the petitioner did not object to the conduct of the run contemporaneously or immediately thereafter, but chose to wait till the judgment in Revat Ram within bracket Sapra was delivered. It was further argued that as far as the objective conditions are concerned, it had rained only in the morning for about 4 hours, that is 8:30 am 12:30 pm, at the time that the petitioner was asked to take the PET, that is after 5 pm there was in fact no rain. Learned counsel relied upon the material on record which appear to be part of the additional affidavit filed by the state in DB Civil Appeal number 228/2019 within bracket Suresh Bishnoi versus state bracket close to state that on the particular date, that is on 4th September 2018, out of the 579 candidates who qualified and were entitled to participate in the test, as many as 263 candidates in fact qualified. Para, the judgment of the Allahabad High Court on which reliance has been placed inter alia held as follows. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।